And Junk is sponsored by Phone Loops. If you ever want to just have a free hands-on adventure and you just want to do something like, you know, put your phone on a branch while you record your adventure in Junk, you can buy Phone Loops. You can do it in different ways. You can do it a little bit on the side, you can do it straight, you can do it that way. That's still kind of the same thing, but ignore that. And you can do it on the other side, you know? This shows you the instruction. There's Facebook for the phone loops. Let's get to the adventure. Oh, wait. Before I even continue this adventure, if you want to buy adventure and junk gear, you know, go to Etsy/adventure and junk, holla at your guala, and be fly for this summer. All right, let's continue this adventure.
This is mad nice.
Oh, who you telling? This is what summer's all about. Adventures.
That does not look safe.
It doesn't, but here I am. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you. No, not my dog! Alright, so you see where Junkie was right here? It dropped, and it dropped here. So I had to go down there. No, actually I had to climb across here, go down, and then go across the waterfall over there. Yeah, this is the type of season, adventure and junk season. This is how we starting it.